Because I expected that from our judges. But they are definitely wrong, not correct.
The judges quoted the Constitution of this country. Are you saying that they misinterpreted the Constitution?
Absolutely. That's what I'm saying.
So what next for you, now that the courts have said you cannot run as MP?
No, I'm a freedom fighter. I'm going to fight it because it's unfair, as well as it is not a democracy. Democracy brings freedom. This is not freedom.
Your own former party, should I say, prematurely ended your presidency on corruption allegations. You have not addressed that.
No, it was not on corruption allegations. Please, we are making a big mistake. There was no corruption that was ever found on me. Singing about Zuma's corruption was a lot, but who has produced anything? Do we have any evidence?
Some call it state capture.
Huh?
Some called it state capture.
No.
And some of the people who are alleged to have worked with you left this country.
I don't know what is a state capture means. Even that one, I can tell you a lot. It was all funny. I'm asking if you heard people saying, I am corrupt, what did I do? Do you have any little fact about it?
There's still cases, and next year you'll be appearing before court again.
No. Am I guilty?
Well, I am not a judge, but...
Precisely. Because we are insisting on a point.
The court has said that you will appear again next year.
Wait, you want to hear me? I don't want to hear you all the time. I'm saying to you, I was removed before I finished my term, and nothing was ever produced as evidence.
As we go to another election, can South Africans trust you, and what are you going to do differently?
South Africa trusts me. Don't ask whether they can. They are trusting me. They trusted me when I was the president, and you can ask any South African how the country was at the time. They are trusting me now. They are taking me back because they say that's where this is a man we trust.